Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got a slick Copperhead 60 rolling out of the shop today. This one's going up north from my man Charlie, and he's got quite the rig ordered up here. And yes, we do ship. All right, we send them all across the country. Send them all across the world, actually. But anyways, let's check out Charlie's pit here. Like I said, our Copperhead 60, it is on our off-road package. We got the upgraded wheels and tires all the way around from our guys Mod down in Texas. We'll open up the smoker here. So 60 inches wide, 24 inches deep. Guys, our Copperhead is our octagon design smoke chamber here. Got copper accents all the way around. The octagon design is great, gives you a little more volume in the smoke chamber, allows us for a bigger top shelf here. You know we love our top shelf for TMG, so we got a big top shelf. It gives you quite a bit of height in between the grates as well, so that's a big plus to the octagon design. This is a reverse flow smoker, so we got removable plates down on the bottom, directs the smoke all the way across the bottom and then back out of the stack. And speaking of stack, it is a fold down stack. As you can see, it is pretty tall. That way you can roll it in and out of your garage into an enclosed trailer if you need to. He did add the stainless steel front shelf. Normally that'd be wire mesh, but we can upgrade it to a stainless steel shelf here. Now this is our hot box, all right, our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here. Hey, y'all know the deal, 1,776 square inches cook space. That's just because we love America, all right? And what's great about this hot box is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber, so you can be running at 2 different temperatures off the same fire. So it's not only a warmer, it is a smoker as well. You can get direct fire in there. So really versatile. Probably our #1 option at TMG is that hot box. Did do a stainless steel logo there for him as well. And on the firebox, he did upgrade to the insulated firebox. Still got your fire management cradle in the bottom as well. D-ring tie down points on all 4 corners, makes it easy to strap down on the trailer. So guys, that is Charlie's, oh, almost forgot, 1-inch ball valve grease drain. That's standard on every TMG pit. But guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.